what's up? Welcome to another video. Natasha here from Kenya, Africa. Guys, I'm trying to adjust the GoPro. I'm not so used to this, so yeah, I think she'll be that way. It was too wide. Yeah, I think now it's okay. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, I go by the name Natasha from Kenya, Africa. Yes guys, thank you for always coming back to support my videos. Oh guys, I'm trying to see the best position to be positioning this camera. I think it's there. Yeah, must be there. Yes guys, so like I'm saying, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope guys you're doing fantastic. Yeah. I'm in Nyeri County. Yes. And guys, I schooled over here in Nyeri County. Yeah, I did school over here. Most of the people here in Nyeri are Kikuyus, and mostly they are great businessmen, great businesswomen. They are recognized for doing a lot of business. Yeah, they are recognized for doing a lot of business. Apart from business, they are great farmers. Yeah, I think I should be having my GoPro there. Yeah, should be there. Yeah, it's a great forest. Huh? Nyeri produces a lot of food, by the way, and people also here grow a lot of maize, potatoes, mostly the potatoes. That's why even in most cases you can hear people they're saying, they are making jokes of how the Kikuyus, they love potatoes and they put potatoes in almost all their dishes. You wake up, they cook potatoes, lunch it's potatoes, supper it is potatoes. So they're very good people in doing the farming as well. Yeah. So I'm just trying to walk in a farm over here. Very nice. I'm just having a nature walk and I'm trying to get to a river. Yeah, and yesterday I came here, guys. How you saw the video starting, I was bringing Sharon to school. Yeah, she studies in Nyeri. Yeah, she schools over here. Yeah, and the schools over here are very nice. I also schooled here in Nyeri. Yeah, until I was done. Funny thing, even in high school, I schooled here. For those who know me well, they know that. So it's like I've been in Nyeri half of my life. It's a good place to stay. Wow, I love how these rocks are looking like. Yeah, very nice. It's giving very scenic views. Ouch. I just got something in my shoe like a needle. Yeah, let's go guys. Continue with the walking. It's a nature walk. Hey, jeez. I need to learn how to position my camera well. Should it be this way or this way? Yeah, that way. Focus. Whew. So we are deep in the forest. I'm trying to cross the other side. We get to the river. Uh, oh, it's a seasonal river. So sometimes the water is rinsing and sometimes doesn't have the water. Guys, I'm a lover of nature, and this river is seasonal. Sometimes it has water, sometimes it doesn't. And you know, it has been raining quite for a while, and that's why this river is appearing to be having dirty water. Yeah? But normally it's very clean. So it's the, you know, when we have the floods, it contributes to the river getting dirty. Yeah. Otherwise, it's a good place to come and just chill. Yeah, it's peaceful. It is giving very peaceful vibes. So, like I was saying, most of the people here they plant potatoes. You know, yeah, recognized by potatoes. We do plant even the other crops like the maize and beans, but mostly it's the potatoes. Yeah, here is the struggle. Like passing, you have to at least bend the trees like this for you to pass. In the nature, you feel relaxed, all the stress is gone. By the way, you see this river, it the mouth of it, it's Mount Kenya. And by the way, from here, I am trying to focus my camera. You know, guys, I'm not so used to GoPro. From here to Mount Kenya is like 15 kilometers. So we are actually at the heart of Mount Kenya. So this river originates from Mount Kenya. Yeah, guys. So let me just start going back because I'm also seeing my battery, it's going a bit low. Yeah. Maybe you can say hi to my people. I was with someone. Say hello. At least people they see you.
Hi.
Please tell people your name.
Oh, my name is Chantel.
Yeah. And she's also going back to school today. You're trying to cross this. You have to cross it to get the other side. Chantel, Please hold for me here. Try to flip it on my side so that I'm being seen. Yeah, I'm also trying to cross here. Be careful because there are needles over here. Yeah. Be careful because of the thorns.
Yeah.
They are very sharp. They... Have you ever gone to Mount Kenya, Chantel? Because it's just 15 kilometers from here.
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
I think we should pay a visit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you feeling that you're opening school today?
Very weird.
You're not happy?
Yeah.
You should be happy because you're going back to school so that you go to the next level of your life. I was looking forward to opening school so that I'm done with that class. Huh?
Yeah.
And then you go to the other class, you know. That's the way to go. But when you're stuck in 1 year, you're not going to the next class. Yeah? So it's better. When you are done with one class, you go to the next. Ooh. It's a real struggle. Anyway, thank you for taking me there. It was really fun. Guys, you see all these rocks you're seeing here? It's a result of the volcano that erupted from Mount Kenya, yeah, a long time ago. All this you're seeing over here, it's a result of that eruption of the volcano. Like I'm saying, from here to Mount Kenya, it is 15 kilometers. And guys, a lot of people are coming here to do their hiking in Mount Kenya. Like I was telling Chantel, I should consider trying the hiking in Mount Kenya, even if it's not now, maybe someday. Yeah, you see all these rocks, all the rocks over here. I don't know, they have a very common tree. Not so sure what's the name of this tree. It always produces some fruits that are almost closer to strawberries. I think this season we don't have it, but the fruits are here. Chantal, what is the name of these fruits? What's the name of it?
Ngala.
Gala. It is gawa. Yeah, so when they are red, they are ripe. When they are green, not ripe. Yeah, so like these ones, they are ready to be eaten. What's the name of the tree? Oh, they're cedar trees. Oh, okay. So these are cedar trees, guys. You see? All these guys, like I was saying, all these result of the volcano. Oh, you see, guys, the cedar trees are so many. In the other side, yeah, the cedar trees. Yeah, these ones are ripe. At least these ones I can eat. I was afraid those ones, you know, when you eat them and they are not ripe, you can have stomach problems. So you should eat it when it is actually this color. Yeah, that color. Guys, these trees are indigenous trees. They take so long to grow. These cedar trees, they take too long to grow. And my friend over there is telling me, for it to grow, for you to see any significant change, it takes about 10 years for you to see a change in this tree. So even our government has banned Kenyans from cutting such trees because it takes a lot of time for it to grow. Yeah, so it takes so many years. I just love how this place is. It's giving a lot of peaceful vibes, you see? Very, very peaceful vibes. Guys, you'll forgive me. I'm still trying to learn how to hold the GoPro, so it's giving me a headache. It's turning, tilting, whoa. So, but I'm continuing to learn it so far. So far, I think I'm trying my best. Yeah, so I can say we are at the heart of Mount Kenya. I shall pay a visit for sure. I shall pay a visit. Indigenous trees. Yeah, more fruits over here. These ones, guys. Let me just tilt my camera. Like these ones, guys, they are very ready. I'm told they are called ngawa. I don't have the English name for it. I'm gonna research, but they are famously known as ngawa. Ngawa is a Kikuyu word. Remember I told you I am in Nyeri County. And Nyeri, it's a place where most of the Kikuyu stay over here. It's their homeland, up countryside for Kikuyus. And remember, guys, we are closer to Olpajeta, famous visiting tourist attraction sites. We are closer to Mount Kenya. Yes, if I get time, I might go to Nanyuki today. We explore the famous town Nanyuki. We have amazing hotels like Sport Manams, Falcon, etc. Name them. So I might be branching there later today and see what is up with that place. Otherwise, I really enjoyed this nature walk. It is just so peaceful. Indigenous trees. I think I need to adjust the size of the camera, of the resolution to be 1 for it to have a smaller angle. I don't know. Guys, you can tell me. Guys, I'm just here at Narumoru. It's a small town, a center before you get to Nanyuki. The main road connecting Nyeri and Nanyuki. It's like a highway before you get to Nanyuki. So I'm en route to Nanyuki. I have some small things I want to check there. So guys, make sure you watch this video until the end because I am en route to Nanyuki. Narumoru town. If you haven't given this video a like, kindly like it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscription button and make sure, guys, you keep coming back to support a girl A girl who has a big dream. Okay, guys? See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Kwaherini.